I am Chandan, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how to write a Java program for Fibonacci series. First of all, we have to know about the Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Now, Fibonacci series is the series in which first two digits or numbers are 0 and 1, and remaining subsequent numbers will be the sum of first two numbers sum. Now we can see here Fibonacci series. Next number is the sum of previous two numbers, while first two numbers of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. So first two number is 0, 1, and next number here 1 is the summation of previous two numbers 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now for the next number, it is the sum of previous two numbers 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now we can see here 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, and so on. This is the Fibonacci series. Now I am going to write Java program on Eclipse to generate Fibonacci series. Let's get started. Click on File, New, Java Project. Give the name of Java project. Click Next, then click Finish. Now click on SRC, right click on it. Now choose class. Give the class name as Fibonacci. Select public static void main. Click on Finish. Okay. Now I will write the Java code to generate the Fibonacci series. For that I will declare some variables here. I have taken variable n1 equal to 0 for the first number, n2 equal to 1 for the second number, n3 equal to 0. I have taken n3 variable to store the result of summation of previous two numbers. Now I have taken one I variable for loop purpose. and one count variable for counting the number of loops. Okay, now first I will print first two numbers. First 0 and 1 I have already printed here. Now since two numbers has already printed, that's why I have initialized 1 I equal to 2, because loop is going to start from the index number 2 and onwards. I have taken upper limit as a 10, means the number of terms in Fibonacci series will be 10, and here is increment operator, which is going to increment I with 1 integer variable. So first 0 and 1 has already printed here, and now for the third number n3 equal to n1 plus n2, means I am going to put the next, I am going to put here n3 equal to n1 plus n2. That means the value of n3 will be the summation of previous two numbers, and after initialization of value in variable n3, now I am going to print that value. So n3 is going to be print on the screen. Now I have changed the value of n1 equal to n2 and n2 equal to n3. Now n1 previous value got erased and it is initialized by the value of n2. Now n2 value is initialized by the value of n3. Now n1 is having the value of n2 and n2 is having the value of n3. Now n3 value will be n1 plus n2 value, and I am going to print here. Now since code I already completed, now I am going to run it by pressing Ctrl plus F11. Okay, now we can see here 0 1 1 2 3 4 5. Since output is not in proper manner, so I will manage it here. Now we can see 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21 34 and 55. This is the Fibonacci series. Thank you.